Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to handle iCloud sync problem that occurs when the sync toggle is turned off or when the active internet connection is lost. Suppose that you have integrated iCloud sync into your app using CloudKit. Everything works perfectly until your active internet connection is lost or you turned off the iCloud sync feature for the app in your iCloud account. In this case, your app stores your new data locally but does not display the previous synced data from your iCloud account. The ideal behavior in this situation would be for your app to still display the data you entered when your iCloud sync was active. We can achieve this by writing a simple yet robust configuration in your app's model configuration. First, check if a CloudKit token is available. This token will exist if you have an active internet connection and the iCloud sync toggle is enabled for your application. Then, tell your application that if there is a CloudKit token, use the model configuration here. If there isn't, use the model configuration off, which tells your app to rely on the local database. Keep in mind that you won't need this configuration if your application supports iOS 18 and later, as Apple has already addressed this issue. However, if you want to support versions below iOS 18, you still need to handle this scenario manually. That's it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments below what you would like to learn next.